All right, moving on. Here Comes the Sun, part 2. So part 1 can just sit quietly. Here Comes the Sun, part 2. We're going to start at measure 9, where it says unison, because that means all of us sing. And when you get to page 5, it does split your part. So at measure 25, you have to look on the bottom line. All right, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Here comes the sun. Here comes the sun. Ooh. Little darling, it's been a long, cold, lonely winter. Little darling, it feels like years since it's been here. Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun. It's all right. Loo, loo, loo. Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun. It's all right. Sun, 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 here it comes. 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 Ooh, ooh. Go back to measure 64. The boys that are usually singing part 3, I want you to try the lowest note. It's the one that gets a little bit smaller, where it says opt.div. That means optional division. So we're going to go ahead and divide you and try that bottom note. So here's measure 64 for part 2, and I'm just going to sing the little tiny notes. Here we go. Ready and ooh, ooh. So together it sounds like this. Here you go. Try singing it together, part 2 at 64. Ready and now split. I bet it sounded amazing. Go on to measure 72 on page 9. Here we go. Little darling, I feel that ice is slowly melting. Little darling, it seems like years since it's been clear. Ooh, here comes the